But one thing we out here doing, we doing my truck today, doing shocks and control arms, so we should have a good time.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her, man.
What's going on, guys? I want to start it off early. I want to let you know what we're doing. We're doing my shocks. I just said it. We're doing my control arms. My truck is in desperate need of this. This is the first time me changing this in the 3 years that I've had this truck. So the original shocks that were on this truck that I bought for $400 for the whole truck definitely was worth it. But at this point right now, as I'm driving, the control arms are shot, and I'm pretty much I'm sliding a little bit, which is very dangerous coming up. So I got to get that fixed. So I bought the parts that they came in. We're gonna get them done. Other than that, my shocks, I'm going to the control arms. I might as well replace them, but obviously the shocks is worn. They're done. They've been in there for a while. So we're gonna take those out and replace it. I also have warranty. Make sure the fools. I also have warranty on my stabilizer links. So those are gonna get replaced also. And then I also have my control arm, is it control? No, sway bar bushings. I also have those. Since I'm taking out the tire rods, not the tire rods, sorry, stabilizer links, I might as well change these bushings too. I know when I'm done with this, it's gonna be an amazing ride. The car drives pretty good now. It's just when you get on the highway and drive pretty fast, it starts to like shake over. Very dangerous again. So we're gonna get that done. It's in the rain. We're in the rain, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna go under the bridge, get some shelter, and start this job. Stay tuned, y'all. It's gonna be fun. So we are here under the bridge. Bro, be doing car work here and shit. So more or less, I'm gonna start mine here. I'm pretty much out of my comfort zone. Y'all know I don't really do car work over here. It's a lot of people watching and that, but it is what it is. We're gonna get it done. Let me show you real quick. This is my tool set. I actually forgot some tools, so thank God I came to my bro, but that's how we're gonna start. Jack stand goes under, pick up the wheel, and then we're gonna go from here. All right, wheel off. Again, let me just show you before we even go further. This was a new one, but it's still good, honestly. So we're replacing this back shock, replacing this control arm. Yeah. So this is gonna. Our problem is, I don't know. We see the control arm is shot right here. So that's what we're gonna replace. Just little by little, we gotta clear this out, clear a bunch of things out, and then take off these parts. So not so simple, but not that hard either. All right, so we're getting somewhere, y'all. I wanted to show you. Yeah, it was a little bit of work. I ain't gonna lie to you, but before I put this in and show you, I didn't want to show you that. When you get to this section right here, this axle nut is always the hardest. Obviously, you can't spin it with this spinning, with the bearing spinning at the same time. So my grandfather showed me this trick a long time ago. Basically, put this bar here, and what's gonna do is it's gonna stop the resistance from the floor. So you can't get better than that, you know. And pretty much, I'm gonna spin this out right here, and it's over. It's coming out. So I can even show y'all. Let's see. Missed it all. Look right here. Nice and slow. And after that, let's switch to the gun. See that? Perfect. Dang, perfect. You need a lot of tools, but it works. Yeah, so those are all the tools right there, simply that we need to take out a lot of pieces. Now, this is already out. Remove this screw right here, which is number 18, and then this would drop up and this would drop out, and then you bang this in with a screwdriver, pop it in, And your goal is now to remove the screw on the bottom because we're taking this out completely. Once I remove it out completely, I would then take out the control arm and then take out the shock. Or the shock first, well, unscrew the shock, control arm, and you know, so on and so forth. So, that's the plan, man. Let's get it. Woo. Yeah, man. No joke. The homeboy, look at that. No, I think there's new ones though. Look at that. Yeah, but there's new ones though with the pack, I believe. Yeah, man, look at that shit. This is original though, you know that, right? Yeah. You heard? That's original. Yeah, for the factory, bro.
It says Ford on it.
Look at that shit. Gotta be, bro.
Let's see the point number.
It just got a little number here.
This is a good fucking.
Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. Yeah, it's strong.
What's wrong with it?
Yeah. Nah, it's just I know this right here. Look, there's nothing wrong with it. That's what's making me swerve and shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I felt it, bro. I was like bushing. Yeah, bro. So that's why I had to buy it, and then the shocks had to get replaced anyways. But thank God it did, because look, if I would have just bought the control arm, we would have still pulled out the shock.
This one.
I think I'll leave that one for now, bro. It looks sick, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's crazy. Shit got crazy. So we here to do this swap. The famous AutoZone. Oh, shit. Let's see. There's the old one. So you guys saw the old. The new looks so much better, man. So, you know, I'm back to the truck over there. But I've been here for about 2 hours. About an hour and a half, I ain't gonna lie. But, you know, my truck look crazy over there. Crazy. Crazy. We getting one done, one side done, then do the other side. So I just wanted to show you what we changed today. Shock, control arm, and then a stabilizer link. And honestly, it doesn't really look that much of a difference. You can tell this coil is a little bit better than that one. Definitely gonna have more resistance. And obviously, you see all this shredded. This one has nothing there, so gonna definitely be good on that. So it was break time real quick. You know, I had to jump into the little hoopty to get some screws, man, because one of the screw bolts are, one of them was already broken off or whatever, so we're just trying to do an upgrade. But I get the point. That was halfway done. I'm gonna show you some clips of putting it back together. And this job I definitely wouldn't recommend doing by yourself. You definitely need somebody to help you out. Not need, but it's definitely easier having my brother around. So, you know, stay tuned. So it's looking real good, guys. Replace the shock. I gotta get this one screw, but I need help with that one. I need a friend for that. And everything else kind of goes back in. And this side is done. This one did take me a long time, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously, you gotta go back and you gotta tighten up everything. After you put everything together, you wanna go back and tighten up everything. Or I might even come back tomorrow and tighten up everything. But yeah, we gotta get to the other side, and then the day will be done. So again, this is pretty much the end. We're very stiff. I can see it already. So it's gonna dry real good. So stay tuned, I guess, for the rest of it, whatever I do add to it. So, you know, I got a little bit of time left on the phone, and just to explain how you put it on this back. I got to put two jacks. Obviously, one is holding up the car, and then this one is giving us the pressure. For the control arm, the shock, everything is brand new. And now I'm able to actually clamp everything together, put the new tire rod in. I'm not tire rod, sorry. Stabilize the link in, and then this whole side is done. Put the wheel on tight. So the phone died. But I'm back on my second phone, so pretty much now I'm able to move this all together and put it back in place, and this whole side will be done. I got a new sway bar bushing, a new link, new shock, new control arm, and a new bolt right here, just to be on the safe side. Looks like I did break the, now I didn't break the ball joint, but I broke the rubber bushing, so that's gonna have to get replaced eventually, the upper half. And then this tie rod is still the old one. I have a warranty on that, but I didn't replace it today because I don't want to have steering issues. Well, more than likely I still might need an alignment just because everything is brand new. But let's see what happens, all right? I honestly want to, it's crazy guys. I want to show you guys this last part of it so you can see kind of the bolt really go into place. I'm not sure if you can see it this way. Let's try it. So, looking right here, you can see this connect with each other. It's pretty much what we're aiming for, right? Let me look at 18, 1 second. 4 joints. Look. Yep. I'm gonna have more problems than I thought, but I'm gonna get the C clamp and then get it done. Yeah, so I did it off camera, y'all. Sorry. That's the problem with recording sometimes. You just gotta think in the moment, but we're on to the stabilizer link. So now it says barrel nut must be installed through the eye of the sway bar. So that's at the top, okay. And then you have the nut on the bottom. Alright. That was always a question. So barrel eye, this big one on the top, and then the nut on the bottom. So let's get it. It's a brand new one. Looking right. Oh, shoot. Right on the top. Now this is a little tricky because you have to let go of the tension, bring it down, and then go back up because you want to get the R in between everything. Boom, boom. Towards the bottom. This is the new one. Look at the old one. Colors is good. Put another one here. Obviously, one has to fit within the other. So this is really drop it. But we got it. I'm gonna show you right now. Slide up, spin, and then tighten later. Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. And we just tighten it up. 14 on the bottom, and we're going from there. I'm gonna show you in a second. Look, it's in tight. Oh my God, is it? And now we just relieve the pressure. See how it looks. I relieve the pressure and nothing changed. You know, it's a little gap here, but that's great. That means it's as stiff as it can be, man. Nothing actually moved, what you guys saw. So we're doing really good, man. Everything is, it's a lot of new parts. New. This is still pretty new. You know, and then the whole control arm is the most important thing in the shop. So, you know, working on it. Look at that, man. And as you can see, they're probably leaning to the left.
All by myself.
Yeah, facts. So look at this shit.
I was nowhere to be found.
My back is not
You were doing that shit by
You
yourself.
did the crucial parts.
I was like in 8 other fucking jobs right now. Nigga. Look at that way, look that way.
Yeah, it's a fuck.
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 8 other jobs.
Nah, it looks crazy though. You can tell the difference. You can tell it's leaning to the left. Already. And it's stiff, man. I can tell. Look at that. Look at that gap. Oh my God.
Yours was mine, right?
Yeah, some of the brands, bro.
Obviously, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now.
I must clean up right now. Job is done, y'all. It's kind of late. We're officially done with the Kazards, so sounds real good. Cool. All right, man. Got the light on. This shit definitely came in handy, though. Oh. There you go. It definitely came in handy. And I'm done. Job is done, so on to the next one, y'all. Thank you for watching. And you know, I gotta finish it off with my boys. I mean, at the flat fix, gotta tighten up the wheels, make sure the air is good. Obviously, it needs air because he's still doing it. But now we on our way. Now the car is completely safe to drive. We got nothing to really worry about besides anything being loose. But obviously, you gotta get back under there tomorrow and kind of tighten everything up if that's the problem. But overall, we're good, man. We are good. Thank you, bro.